out here, and I'm here with SBC Adrenna. She is a 2-year-old filly by the Goodbye Lane, and she's a super sweet, kind of spunky little girl. She's only been at my place about an hour, but she's really been super quiet about everything. Maybe a little bit antsy about standing still for the camera, but we can deal with that. She's just a really cute, put together little filly. She's got nice straight legs. She does have a little blemish on her hock. I doubt you'll be able to see it on the camera, but it's from an injury that happened as a weanling. They say she x-rays fine, maybe a bone spur there if I'm correct, but she is sound on it. But it is her right hock is just a little bit bigger than it should be, so she has that. She also has just the faintest of a scar from a wire cut, I believe, here on her chest, but again, just cosmetic, doesn't seem to bother her at all. She has been saddled a couple times, so she would be ready to start. You can tell they've worked a lot with her. She's used to being handled and touched and good about picking up her feet. She's a petite little thing, but she's put together right, and she has really good feet, and she looks like the size of horse I would like to ride. Again, you can tell that she's had a lot done with her. She's easy to get along with, really sweet, pretty much does everything I've asked of her so far. So I will take her for a little walk and we can see how she moves. Friendly little mare, and I'm sure she'll pick up on the round pinning with a little bit of work, but I like how she moves. She's super graceful and really reaches with her front end, has her hind end up underneath her, and so I think she's will make a really great prospect. I really like this filly. She's super friendly. She really wants to please. Settled in at my place really nicely for not being here very long. She's bred great. She's a daughter of the Goodbye Lane, which, we've seen them winning everywhere the last few years, and they've proven to be really exceptional horses. She's got some kind of old school bloodlines on the bottom side. Johnny Dial should make just a really nice ground racing prospect. She's built great, she moves nice, and has a good disposition.